Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and my friend is here. He's gonna help us with our fun experiment. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. This experiment is called the Bouncy Egg. We're gonna take 2 raw eggs that are from your refrigerator, your local grocery store, a jar of spaghetti we have peeled off the label. We're gonna take our eggs very gently and slide. I'm doing it this way so they don't crack. You want to hold that jar right there real quick? And then, whoop. All right, so we've got them in the jar without them cracking. Woohoo! We're gonna take our distilled vinegar and we're going to, you smell.
Ew.
And we're gonna pour, I'm gonna lift it up so you guys can see. And you just need enough to cover the eggs. So that, a little bit more. There we go. So now, what we're going to do is give these a couple days, because it'll take between 2 and 3 days. And when we come back we're gonna come back each day, at least once, to see and report how they're doing. These are just normal eggs that are gonna be a little stinky, but in a couple of days, because we're gonna cover them up, we're gonna check on them, and hopefully we'll be able to bounce eggs. How cool, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we'll check in about a day or 2. See you there. Day 2. Let's check on our eggs and see how they're doing. Look at all the bubbles on those eggs. The eggs do look to be a little bit bigger, and there's a foam on the top. As we give them a little spin, we can see the foam on top, and they definitely have a lot of bubbles all over the eggs. This is day 2, so stay tuned for day 3. This is day 3, and the foam has gotten a lot thicker, and the eggs still have lots and lots of bubbles on them, but the color has changed a lot. It went from white to more of like an orange color, almost like the yolk inside of the egg color. Now we're getting ready to take them out of the jar and see what they can do. In order to get our egg like that, it first looks like that. And we need to take water and use our finger gently and rub it off. All you do is wipe it off a little. And eventually it'll turn into this. Hi friends, we're back and we're super excited. We've got bouncy eggs. Now this one unfortunately sprung a leak. Not sure when, but I figured that was gonna happen. Go ahead and bounce yours. Here, let's get you a cleaner one. All that effort, and we got like 2 or 3 bounces out of him, and whoo, they sure do stink. Well, we'll have to try that one again sometime. That was actually a lot of fun. You guys didn't get to see us because before we kind of bounced them a little. Probably shouldn't have, because then we ended up with all right. And look at the skin. This was super fun. It really was. And to watch the eggs change, and you know, I'm not gonna lie, it does stink right now right here, like really bad vinegar. But it was a lot of fun, and you guys should definitely try it for yourself. Well, friends, that was a lot of fun. My friend and I had a fantastic time. He and I both agreed it was a little stinky, but it was worth it. Well, if you guys like videos like this, keep coming back for more and more fun with me, your friend Cookie. That's Kookie, and that would be me. And
don't forget, if you like videos like this, like them and subscribe for more and more fun.